Hi, everyone, and welcome to Global Social Media TV. My name is Sandra Stepan, and I'm here with Keith Keller. Hi, Keith.
Hey, how you doing? Cheers from down under.
Good. Hello. You know what? This time I'm actually a little bit closer to you than last time we spoke.
Yeah. In fact, that's
So,
part of the reason we're doing this. You're now in Bali.
yeah.
You were in
Yeah.
Toronto, but you're moving to Thailand, and this whole
Yeah.
thing is really about
Very
global.
international.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
back to you, because you've got some good goss today about what global social media TV is about and what
I
we're doing
think so.
for. And it's a good introduction call, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Thanks. Well, I don't know if I need to introduce you anymore. Obviously, a lot of you know Keith. He is your go-to guy when it comes to Twitter marketing, especially Twitter video marketing. And myself, well, I basically play around with social media and I help businesses sell on it. So I help them brand, I help them increase their profits, I help them generate leads by leveraging what social media has to offer. Every platform that you can think of.
Yeah.
And I am so excited to be here today. Honestly, we have so much exciting stuff to talk about, and this will be the first video in a mini series because there's a lot to cover. So, Keith, what are we going to talk about today?
Yeah. Well, we're going to start the idea of global social media TV around the idea that 2018 could be your year for video if video is not part of your strategy yet.
Yeah.
We're going to share compelling stats for why that is the case, and we've got very compelling stats. And the whole series of videos will be about what type of video to do, whether it's live streaming or YouTube or Twitter or LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah.
And we're going to decode all of the technical challenges so that there really is no excuses why you can't do video, especially once you get your head around the stats. So why don't you start with those stats, because those stats are very, very, very compelling.
Yeah.
That'll get people juiced up about why they should be using Twitter, why they should be using video this year.
Yeah, I think so. I was doing a little bit of research. I personally love video marketing, and I started to be a little bit more into it now myself. And before I even start with the stats, I really want to shift your paradigm a little bit. If you think that video is only for the ones that have like a huge budget or the ones that have a lot of experience in being in front of a camera, that is absolutely wrong. It's so easy to create video nowadays, and it's so great for engagement. It's so great for boosting sales. It's awesome for bloggers. Literally, you can be in any line of business and create a video. It doesn't take much. There are a lot of tools available. So I hope that you if you haven't used video for your business or for yourself, for your blog already, I hope that you will see how easy it is to do it and how valuable you can be to your followers by doing video. And I was looking at some stats today. I have them written on a piece of paper because they're that good, but 82% of Twitter users watch video content on Twitter.
82%. It's very
82%.
compelling, isn't it?
So almost everybody watches videos on Twitter. Of course, on other platforms as well, right? 45% of people watch more than an hour of Facebook or YouTube videos a week. That's huge. People's attention span is not great anymore. So one of the reasons why you should use video in your business or in your influencing is because it's great at captivating people and increasing that engagement.
Let me pull that apart. 45% of people watch an hour combined of video on either Facebook or LinkedIn per week.
Yeah.
That's very compelling. That's probably because they're commuting on the train, and they're watching this cool video here and there.
Absolutely.
It adds up to 1 hour a week.
Yeah, that's awesome. And 92% of mobile video viewers, they actually share videos with others.
Okay. That's an important one because people love sharing.
Yeah. Exactly. So if you're looking to build an audience or grow your audience by using video as opposed to just text or photos, it's almost hands off to you when it comes to getting more viewers, which
Okay.
is really cool. I have some other stats too that I really liked. Social video generates 1,200 more shares than text or photos.
100%? 100%?
Sorry, 1,200%, yes. Social video generates 1,200% more shares than text or photo.
That's amazing.
So again, you're looking to build an audience, you're looking to grow the audience, you're looking to sell. You have 1,200% more chances of doing it with a video.
Because
That's amazing.
look at what's happening here. I'm a Melbourne guy. I'm an Australian working from home in my home. My story is that I live 10 minutes walk to the beach, but an hour's drive to the city. That's my lifestyle. I just hang out in a t-shirt in my home office, and that's the lifestyle that I personally prefer.
Yeah.
And I'm able to share that lifestyle on this site, which we call Zoom. Zoom.com.
Yeah.
Really cool site. You're a Romanian girl who I met when you were living in Toronto, but
yes.
you live in Bali, moving soon to Thailand, maybe the Philippines, and you just got back from a day trip to Malaysia.
Yes, that's correct.
So this is stuff that you can't share really well with a photo or a blog, but that you can share in a minute.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, and you know, I have a great deal of my clients are, well, a lot of them are in the Toronto area. Most of them are in North America. But what's really cool is that I can be connected with them even from Bali. I mean, I'm 13 hours difference.
Man.
You know, there's 13 hours difference between us. But if I come across something cool, right? If I come across some stats that will help my clients, or if I come across some tips and tricks, or if we need to look at a case study, I can share with them instantly via video. I don't have to be there to do that, which is really, really cool. And again, video marketing or videos in general, it's not just for online businesses. I mean, you can be, man, I've seen dentists do awesome stuff with video, right? Where they do tutorial, where they do entertaining videos, and they're able to attract a local market. So it's not just for the people that are, you know, online coaches or authors or have online stores.
It really is
do what you and I do. It's for everybody.
It really is. And how do you use video? Now that we know, first things first, now that we know that video is working, because the stats are overwhelming on every platform. And even LinkedIn now has video. That tells you how ubiquitous LinkedIn even has video.
Yeah.
So now that we know that video works, how do you use it? And let's decode some of the popular uses for it.
Yeah, I can tell from my personal experience. So for my clients, I use them in their social media content. So when I manage social media, we do videos, either the stories or the live, or I post them on the wall on all platforms. I personally just started a YouTube blog where I teach people social media and internet marketing. So I use my videos to walk my audience through steps, talk about case studies and tips and tricks. You can use videos for advertising. So if you do advertising on either Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, video gets way more engagement, and gets platforms nowadays are actually designed to foster video and to optimize video when it comes to ads.
Let me just pull apart what you've just said there. So you videos can be great for ads on Twitter and Facebook. You have a YouTube channel. And what's called Marketing with the Side of Coffee, or Coffee with the Side of
Coffee's with the Side of Marketing.
A really cool channel. It's just, you know, here I am having a coffee, and I thought for the day is ...
Yeah, well, it goes back into the idea, I'm sorry to interrupt, but into the idea that people just, you know, you don't have to do hour-long videos. My idea was I want people to digest my content, but it's under the morning coffee. So they're just 5-10 minutes video, and that's all you need to do to build that engagement and to build an audience.
So both of those styles, the ad style and the YouTube channel style, are pre-recorded. Have you been experimenting, or do you have some ideas around live streaming? Have you sensed that that's really growing as well?
Yeah, it is. And actually a lot of some platforms allow live streaming in groups as well. Live streaming is awesome because I don't know if you've noticed, but you actually get a notification when one of the individuals you follow are live. So if you post a video, obviously Twitter's algorithm versus Facebook versus Instagram will differ and will show your content based on obviously numerous things, right? But when you go live, they get a notification. People are notified that you are live.
You've got a little bump,
which is kind of cool. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And again, if you are either a business or a coach or an influencer, video is a great way to build a story.
Yeah.
Right? So let the real you shine, or tell your business story to the world in a way that really resonates with them, but also in a way that represents you. It's easier to do it with video than it is with pictures and words. I think.
Once you get your head around the idea that you're staring into this little thing, most people can talk.
Yeah.
If you ask me to write down what we've just said, it'll take me a whole day.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And I think people are way better on camera than they think they are. Again, you don't have to have formal training to either be in front of people or edit the video. It's funny because a lot of your followers, you will notice, they like the raw, the uncut, the bloopers. They like that better than staged, right? They like the conversation. They like feeling like they're talking to a real person live.
Yeah. Well, look, I've noticed a whole change in engagement. That's the key phrase I would use there. There's a whole change in engagement when I had the courage, and it took me a long time to have the courage to say, well, this is me. Guess what?
Yeah.
And this is who I really am. I hang out in a t-shirt.
And then you realize people are listening.
And then suddenly people go, wow, I get the real you.
Yeah.
I never really said
it.
So
absolutely.
We're talking about a couple of things. One is the stats are overwhelming. The ROI is amazing. The engagement goes through the roof. And what we're going to do over the course of the next few weeks is we're going to get rid of the big one, and that is fear.
Yes.
Because everyone knows video's working, everyone senses it's true, everyone's heard of live streaming, everyone's heard of Periscope and Facebook Live, but still there's this fear in the belly that people don't want to do it. So this show, globalsocialmediatv.com, and the hashtag, is all about all of the parts. We're going to do a whole show on the various live streaming components. We're going to do a whole show about how to edit your videos once you do them. We're going to do a whole show about the various ways that you can use either Twitter video, which is 2 minutes, 10 seconds, or LinkedIn video, which is up to 10 minutes and 5 gig, or how Facebook Live differs from Periscope. These are all technical things. But the ultimate goal is we want to encourage people to have a go. Just have a go. Today, and this show is using Zoom, zoom.us. It's a recording facility that allows us to split screen, which means I love it. Wherever you are, that's the point. Because you're moving. And so this show is going to be a series that will capture your lifestyle at 12 o'clock Asia time, and I'll feed you. And this is probably every second week. We'll create a little Twitter video. We'll make a blog. We'll put it on YouTube, and we'll really show by doing it how easy it is. So why don't we finish it there, because we're going to keep them short, maybe 10 or 20 minutes each one.
Sounds perfect.
Around about the right length for part one. Anything you want to finish on before we sort of wrap it up and do some editing?
I do. I just want to say one thing. At the beginning, how we said why 2018 could be your year for video. I think 2018 should be your year for video. No more excuses.
So I said that 2018 could be, but really,
it should be. Yes.
There's significant evidence to prove that, isn't it? And we're here to help. And I know that one of the things that's great about traveling is that you're going to be creating some online products, which means as a model for the world, you can make income when you're traveling. You know, you don't have to be stuck in an office working in the city, which is the traditional model. You can be in Thailand 1 week and Bali the next and make money on the fly, selling products online. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about your products. So this has been episode 1, Global Social Media TV. Now, the way to follow that is globalsocialmediatv.com. and hashtag global social media TV. Follow us, tell us your stories, share the videos that you've done as a result, ask your questions. We'll be having these conversations regularly. We'll be turning them into blogs and little videos, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun!
I think so. I'm so excited. Really, I'm so excited. We have so much to cover in the upcoming few weeks, and I think I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Well, let's end part 1 there. We'll come back in 2 weeks with part 2. But thanks so much for being part of this with me. This is going to be great.
Yeah, thank you, Keith. I'm really looking forward to everything that's to come.
We'll see you later.